Hello, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly. This video will help improve your vocabulary and conversation skills. This video is also translated into Spanish, but please don't worry, because there will be lots of pictures to help you better understand the English words. Morning, midday, noon, afternoon, evening, night, midnight. When can I book an appointment with Dr. Peters? When can I book an appointment with Dr. Peters? Can I come today? Can I come today? Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. How may I help you? How may I help you? How can I help you? How can I help you? At a store, a retailer asks, "Is there something in particular you are looking for?" Is there something in particular you are looking for? Client says, "No thanks, I'm just looking for now." No thanks, I'm just looking for now. Or you can say, "Yes, I'm looking for example, yes, I'm looking for a comfortable pair of sneakers." Yes, I'm looking for a comfortable pair of sneakers. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Excuse me, where is the restroom? I would like to get a safety deposit box, please. I would like to get a safety deposit box, please. I would like to know my balance, please. I would like to know my balance, please. I don't feel well. I'm very sick. I think I need to take a few days off from work. How much is this? How much is this? I haven't been feeling well this week. I'm sick. I think I have a cold or the flu. Need to, have to, should, must, would like to, and want to. For example, I need to study more. You have to be more active. She should pay her visas on time. We must attend the meeting. They would like to travel to Europe one day. He wants to buy some snacks. Get some rest and get well soon. Please take good care of yourself. I work on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I work on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I have 3 classes a week. I have 3 classes a week. We don't work on weekends. We don't work on weekends. We don't have classes on weekends. We don't have classes on weekends. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Sorry, I'm not available on Fridays and weekends. Today, today. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Yesterday, yesterday. The day after, the day after. The day before, the day before. Last week, last week. Last month, last month. Last year, last year. Next week, next week. Next month, next month. Next year, next year. Next time, next time. At a bank, a client says, I would like to open a checking and a savings account, please. I would like to open a checking and a savings account, please. Then the bank teller says, may I see 2 pieces of ID or any proof of residency, please? May I see 2 pieces of ID or any proof of residency, please? When can you come? When can you come? I can come this Friday at 6 p.m. I can come this Friday at 6 p.m. When will you be here? When will you be here? I'm stuck in traffic. Maybe around 40 minutes. I'll be there. I'm stuck in traffic. Maybe around 40 minutes. I'll be there. I'm sorry for getting mad at you. I didn't mean what I said. I still love you. Please forgive me. I would like to withdraw $1,000 from my checking account. I would like to withdraw $1,000 from my checking account. I would like to deposit $5,000 to my checking account. I would like to deposit $5,000 to my checking account. How can I pay my bills online? How can I pay my bills online? I want to open an online banking account, please. I want to open an online banking account, please. Our holiday is from December 18th to January 5th. Our holiday is from December 18th to January 5th. We return to school on January 6th. We return to school on January 6th. We return to work on January 6th. We return to work on January 6th. This, that, those, these,